morning. Today, we the students of class 9B are going to present the E-Assembly on the topic Be the Change You Wish to See. Now, I would request you all to join your hands for Gayatri Mantra.
Good morning. The thought of the day is it is easy to change yourself than to change the world. It means if we want to change others, then first of all we have to change ourselves. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thanks a lot, Kanva, for this amazing thought.
Be the change you wish to see. The quote refers to the fact that there is always a first time for everything. We all have a capacity to make a difference in society. Create peace in your house by creating peace within yourself. Be kind to all the people you come across by being kind to yourself. Show love to your friends, to your family, by first showing love to your own self. Changing our face can change nothing, but facing our change can change everything. So I repeat again the famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi, be the change you wish to see. Thank you.
In our behavior, we tend to be making an implicit distinction between two projects, getting other people to change and changing ourselves. We know we may have to develop in certain ways, but for now, our focus is on altering others. We make an evolution in our own behavior conditional on the evolution in other people's. We will be more nicer if they'll be nicer, and we'll be less strident if they give up shouting.
However, we are prone to miss an important insight. Changing how you behave to others can be the fastest way to alter how others behave towards you.
We are often in a paradoxical position of advocating one kind of behavior and might end up using quite another. We might quite angrily suggest a person to calm down, or we may willingly insist a person to be a little more empathetic.
We have asked some of our classmates about what changes they want in their life and how will they bring it.
I want to bring the change that everyone is treated equally, and we can do this by respecting everyone, their decisions, their preferences, and supporting them. We can do this, and we will do this.
I believe we can give respects to our parents by showing our expression of gratitude towards them. Maybe we can cook a healthy and delicious food with our mother someday, or use our Saturdays and Sundays by doing our own chores like cleaning our room and give them a surprise. Thank you.
I want to bring a change in my life by following regular study habits, and I will try my best to follow it. Father of the nation once said, be the change you wish to see. Don't sit idle, do take it seriously. You are the root for the strand of change. You are the fruit from which you will reap. Speak up against corruption. It has gone beyond our toleration. Respect and love every religion, whether it is Hinduism, Islam or Christianity. It lightens our soul and encourages humanity. Plant a tree of unity. It helps to reach your destiny.
So, for the life you want to see, be the change you want to be.
If you want to do something big, start with yourself. Be the change you wish to see in this world. Your dreams should have no limit. Just let them fly like a bird. Take baby steps at first, then start walking. At first, the up won't be strong, but afterwards, people will start talking. Then you have to speed up a little bit faster. There is still some time for you to become the master. The change you want to see in this world should be within yourself first. Only then you can be that eligible to achieve their trust. When you become successful and have achieved your dream, just thank everyone who was with you and always work like a team. Never get overconfident. There is definitely someone better than you. Always try hard and have belief in yourself.
Once in a village, there was a man named Peter. He always said to everyone that we should save water, but no one paid attention to him much, even though knowing that no one understood the importance of water, he always kept on saying it. He himself saved water in every way he could. He had made special tanks beneath his house in which he collected all the extra water that get wasted through pipes.
Once his friend visited his house and saw how he saved water and said that why does he spend so much money on this, knowing that he himself alone wouldn't be able to do something great because contribution of only one man wouldn't affect much. Peter said, knowing it wouldn't help much, I can't waste water like others while asking everyone else to save it. I have to do the thing I want others to do. I need to be the change I wish to see in the world.
कृपया प्रार्थना की स्थिति धारण करें। ओम भगवते नमः। ओम सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम पितृभ्यां नमः। ओम मातृभूम्यै नमः। हे ईश्वर, हमारा आज का दिन सभी प्राणियों की भलाई की कामना करते हुए उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसरित हो।